Dear friends, Surya Namaskara is a traditional yogic practice which gives integral exercise for all parts of the body, different organs, muscles and nerves. There are different types of Surya Namaskara with different steps. But now I am going to introduce Surya Namaskara with 10 steps, which is a simple form of Surya Namaskara which everybody can practice.